What we do is put the seed into this pod that's biodegradable. It has all the nutrients it needs so that when it gets shot into the ground, it has a fighting chance to grow into a healthy tree. We're able to combine the right species at the right location, upload that into the drone, and it just follows that path and plants those trees where they're needed. So if we have a swarm of drones, we can then scale that up to hundreds of thousands of trees per day. Now we have a target of planting 500 billion trees. The scale of what we're going to do is going to re-green our Earth. We'll be able to see the ecosystems that we've restored from space.